Hello, Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions, and I have a unboxing video for you. And today we will be unboxing this funky little webcam from Logitech, and this is the C920 Pro HD webcam. So I was interested to take a look at this and check out its performance and things because it's very highly rated. Personally, the Logitech brand I really like. I use a lot of things like keyboards, mice from Logitech, so I trust the brand completely. I know the quality is there, so that was very important. So we've ordered this up, and I'm sure you can guess why at the moment because everybody's doing it. This will be used for Zoom meetings, Microsoft Teams meetings, that kind of thing basically. It's to be used as part of a meeting room setup around a conference table. So we went for this one. Now, the very first thing I would say is before I unbox it and we take a look is there are cheaper webcams around. And this one depends. I've seen the price completely vary online for this. It can be as cheap as £90, but it can go right up to kind of £150, depends where you're getting it from, because stock at the moment is in very short supply, and with that you get erratic pricing, you get suppliers driving the price up because of that demand and low stock. So yeah, the point I'm making is there are cheaper webcams around, but I know from everything I've read and spec-wise this should be superb quality, and that's why I've gone for this. So look upon this as your premium webcam. So should we go ahead and unbox and we'll see what we've got. Like I said, I'm expecting good things from this once I get it set up and working. It's meant to be very good quality, it's full HD, it's got dual mics as well, and that's one of the reasons I went for this. So I've just opened the top of the box there, and we can see straight away the webcam sat right there, looking straight out at me. Looks quite funky, looks quite cool, which is quite nice. So I'm just going to remove it from the box if I can. Here we go. Let's have a look. So here is the device right here. So as I said, this is the C920 Logitech webcam. I can see what we've got. It's got a little folding out stand to it. It is connected via a standard USB port, and I can see it's got the hole on the bottom there. So if you wanted to connect it to a stand or a tripod or something like that, then you can. But it's quite a nice looking device, isn't it? As far as webcams go, it's not bad looking, you know, and the look and the feel of it is as we'd expect at this price point of a premium product in terms of webcams. So that looks really nice. Like I said, expecting big things from this. Elsewhere in the box now feels incredibly light. So I'm not sure if there's anything else in here, to be honest, but just to complete the unboxing and first impressions, we'll have a look and see if there is anything else in here. There doesn't appear to be. There is just the usual bump of safety information and standard setup information. The reason there's nothing else in there, because I think we simply plug this in, it will auto install and auto detect if you've got Windows, if you've got a Chromebook, and I'm pretty sure it will just work straight away on a Mac as well. Although don't quote me on that, we will double check that and find that out, but certainly I think Windows and on Chromebooks it will be completely plug and play. So just plug it in, it will take a few minutes to install and it will be available as a webcam. So that is our unboxing video concluded, and my first impressions of it are very good. However, that is obviously only the physical unit. The real test for me, and I'm sure I'll end up doing a review video, is me actually setting this up and testing it out in a meeting room setup, which is what I intend on doing. So I'll let you know how that testing goes and see if the marketing quality is there. Like I said, the full HD with the dual mics. I'm expecting good sound quality, I'm expecting good picture quality. So I'll have a play and I will feed it back to you on this channel as ever. But that concludes our unboxing for the C920 Pro HD webcam from Logitech today. So If you've enjoyed this video or find it mildly insightful, you know what to do. Smash that like button for me. I can't stress how much that helps us grow our channel. Please do smash the like button. Likewise, please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time, so please do subscribe. And please do comment on the video. If you have any questions about this product or anything else, or would like to make a recommendation, please do post it on the comment section. I try and personally get back to everybody, as I'm sure you can see from the other videos. And please use the links down below to connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.